Okay, so the last lecture in the colonial series here, if you will, is the establishment of the restoration colonies. And this is going to be New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and North Carolina. And the reason they're called the restoration colonies, I'll talk a little bit about this in the lecture, but they are created by Charles II when he was when the monarchy was restored. And so these colonies are land that was given to specific people. Like, hey, thanks for helped me out when I was in exile. So here's some land in the New World. So again, we're going to look at each of the colonies. They're unique in their establishment, and they tell us different things about kind of the growth just of the of what's going to be the United States. So with New York and New Jersey, we're going to be interested in New York. We're interested in its diversity, but also there won't be representative government in New York. We're going to see that isn't the case in New Jersey, and we're going to see New Jersey their population is going to soar. So it tells us a little bit about the importance of representative government in the colonies. For Pennsylvania, this is a Quaker colony. And so we're going to talk a little bit about the Quakers. And then I've got two specific people to connect that to with Mary Dyer and William Penn. And then the last colony, Carolina, which will ultimately separate and become North and South Carolina. This colony has the distinction of being the first colony that incorporates, when it's created, it incorporates slavery within its constitution. And that constitution is ironically written by John Locke. So that is going to be significant for us as we're in the next lecture that you're going to get in the next lecture module, where we're going to trace the shift from servitude to slavery. Because we said in Virginia, when these colonies were established, it wasn't a system of slavery that was fueling the labor of these colonies. But we're going to see in Carolina, right from the get-go, it is. And they're separated by about 100 years. Actually, a little more than 100 years. All right. I hope you're doing well. Take care.